tactically what
how a
happened?
coach chooses. Okay,
Maresca to fail tactically with substitutions.
Unajua Maresca siwezi blame kwa nini? You cannot get ready in the fourth minute.
Simtetei hadi because me I was hoping angeanzisha at least kwa na one playmaker in the field. I was hoping Eze angeanza akuanza. And then Simtetei, but as just even as Barnabe had said, you guys hit to a point that saa zingine hata muone Arsenal hata ikicheza vizuri.
Hapana, by the court is hapo imedanganya. Nimekuja nikaambia Kelong ni mimi nimekuambia Arsenal iko na players wazuri. Kelong was here nikasema
Arsenal forced Man City to defend.
Nimekuja
defend. There's no way Arsenal has the most goals kwa league and you sit here or maybe among the teams that got most goals kwa league and you sit here and say Arsenal defense. What are you talking about?
No, Arsenal forced Man City to defend. For more than 40 minutes.
But today we were not done with defending. We were done with